That is the DC-13. And we go to the 14. Fault diagnostics. Look at that. This one's cutting air. These will cut steel all day long. Let's go over to, that's the 14th, let's go to the 16th. 16 is an 1.5 inch blade. Bundling clamps, variable vice pressure, movable controls, and then there's the 18. All have the same control, all have fault diagnostics. These are the small screens. We're putting the big 10-inch screen, 10-inch color screens on them. Omron. Very rigid design. You can cut tool steel with it, mild steel, whatever you're cutting. All day long. These are made to run all day long. Head runs up and down on heavy duty, hardening ground, linear wave. We have dual cylinders on each side to lift up the head so that it lifts up even. There's one back there.